Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by launching Task Manager now. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to get straight into it. Once it opens, make sure you switch out of Compact View by clicking More Details so you see the full menus. Then look to the top bar and select Options. That's where the Always on Top toggle lives. Doing this first removes distractions and saves time, because you won't need to hunt through settings later. This is the one immediate step that enables persistent visibility. Now enable the setting. In Options, click the checkbox labeled Always on Top. That pins Task Manager above other windows. Once done, open another application to confirm visibility and make sure Task Manager stays in front while you work. If you switch tasks using Alt plus Tab, watch how Task Manager behaves. This verifies the rule applies across desktop sessions. Also note that this setting is per user session, so you'll see the effect immediately, and it persists until you uncheck the option. To finish, close Task Manager and reopen it to ensure the Always on Top flag persists across launches. That confirms configuration. If Task Manager does not remain on top, restart Windows Explorer via Task Manager itself. Select Explorer, then Restart to reapply window behaviors. Make sure no third-party window managers or utilities are overriding focus rules. Uninstall or disable them temporarily to test. If problems continue, update Windows, because system updates often fix Windows Z-order issues and restore normal behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.